and hundreds of thousands of board feet of lumber seized in various parts of the country will be made into school armchairs. This comes with the decision of the Bureau of Customs to donate them to TESDA. Here's Noel Perfecto with the details.
This is the second time that Customs Bureau has helped the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, or TESDA, in completing the required 45,000 school armchairs in the coming days. This after Commissioner Rufy Biazon donated 545,000 board feet of lumber for making thousands of armchairs. According to Biazon, the seized lumber donated by Customs to TESDA came from Davao, Cagayan de Oro, and Agusan del Norte, and all of it are misdeclared as animal feeds, scrap iron, banana chips, abaca fiber, and crushed plastic.
May programa ang Pangulong Aquino, yung Bayanihan Project na tinatawag, kung saan ang mga ahensya ay nagtutulungan sa pagganap sa kanya-kanya naming mga mandato. Nagtutulungan, nagkokombinasyon kami para makapaghatid ng public service. So dito sa bagay na ito, kinonfiscate namin yung mga illegal na lumber. Donate naman namin sa TESDA. Ang TESDA naman gagawin nilang school chairs, tapos ito turn over naman nila sa Department of Education.
TESDA Director General Joel Villanueva was thankful for the transfer of the 1,000 board feet of wood to be used to construct armchairs. This only shows that the growing unity among the various government agencies in promoting the public education system in the country.
Ginagawa na po namin ito more than a year now. If you recall, this was even mentioned in the last State of the Nation address ni Pangulong Noynoy. Doon po sa Caraga, 40,000 armchairs na inagawa natin. To date po dito sa NCR, more than close to 5,000 na po yung ready and available.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.